Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring and assembling ingredients. 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/3 cup cornstarch, 3 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder for chocolate or 1 cup extra sugar, and 1/3 cup corn flour for vanilla. Add 1 teaspoon fine salt and 1 tablespoon powdered milk to enhance mouthfeel and creaminess. Use a kitchen scale or measuring cups and a fine mesh sieve. Prepare an airtight container and a dry mixing bowl. Accurate measures prevent lumps and keep the powder shelf-stable for months when stored correctly. Combine all dry ingredients in a large bowl and whisk vigorously for about 2 minutes to evenly distribute sugar, cornstarch, salt, and cocoa. For flavored variants, add 1 teaspoon vanilla powder or 1 tablespoon powdered milk. For pudding with less sugar, reduce sugar by 25%. Sift the blended mix through a fine mesh sieve into another bowl to remove any lumps and aerate the powder. Transfer to an airtight container. Press a piece of parchment over the surface, seal, and label with the preparation date. To use the mix, whisk 1/3 cup of powder into 2 cups cold milk until fully combined and no dry streaks remain. Place the mixture over medium heat and bring to a gentle simmer, whisking constantly for 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens to coat the back of a spoon. Remove from heat and stir in 1 tablespoon butter or a splash of cream for shine. Chill covered to set or serve warm. Refrigerated leftover pudding keeps up to 3 days in an airtight container.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.